Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix the problem of can't download Monopoly Go. So if you're trying to download Monopoly Go on your device and you're just not able to download it, the first thing I will do is check your storage. For that you can go on settings, and inside of setting you want to scroll a bit down and click on the option called general. From over here click on the option called iPhone storage. So over here at the top I have 21 GB free, which means I can basically download Monopoly Go. But if you have less than 1 GB free, then you won't be able to download Monopoly Go. And that could be the reason. So try to fix that by clearing up your storage and your problem should be fixed. And the second issue could be your Wi-Fi. So try to check if your Wi-Fi is slow or not, because sometimes due to slow Wi-Fi as well, you won't be able to download Monopoly Go. And the third reason could be that you own a really old mobile phone. So if you have a really old mobile phone which cannot run Monopoly Go, then you won't be able to download it. So make sure to check if your mobile phone is eligible to run Monopoly Go or not, okay? And keep that in mind. If it can't, then you won't be able to download it. But yeah, and also make sure to check if Monopoly Go is available in your country or not, because there are certain countries where Monopoly Go is banned, and if you're in one of those countries, then you won't be able to do anything. So I hope you understand how you guys can fix can't download Monopoly Go problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.